Hello everyone, this is Mia Wasim Hassan. I hope you will be shine fine like a star. Today we discuss the most important element of the life. You can watch my video how to earn money online, how to make money online, and today we discuss about the most famous topic how to make $100 fast in a day. There is the huge platform in available. Firstly would elaborate there are the plenty of way to make extra $1000 in a day. And face it, everybody needs to make some extra money once in a while. If the mortgage, your depends, your student loans or some expense have reserved your monthly cash flow, you have made to need a creative way to make the extra money today. Some of my ideas can put extra cash into your account today, otherwise you require a little more time to develop. At least one of them should work for you. Simply the ways to $100 per day quickly. Today we discuss the proper way. The first method is the sign up bonus cashback reward. Make money by selling a used item and jewelry, computers, tablets, platform, different items you can sold them because this is a worthless. Get paid for your option in the survey sites. First, will you fulfill the desire of the clients and complete the survey, and you can also earn money from this type. Participate in the research or the focus group. Become a freelancer with the variety of skills. Drive for a reside share. Start a side hustler. Help someone move. Teach a tutor. Do product consulting. Bonus idea to make 100 fast. And the rent out spare rooms or extra space. The first option is the claim sign up bonuses and cashback. You can claim extra money every month by signing off these the Fruggle friendly a cashback program. Sign up and start earning real money today. The swag box. Redeem $20 welcome bonus when you sign up to get paid. These sites love different tasks available to earn money. Take survey, watch videos, search the internet, uh, all of till extra catching. You can also redeem your cash in from a gift card. Learn more Swagbucks review. Get start. Redeem $20 from Swagdack and Swag easily online reward survey. You can earn $20 and get and eBatis. Get $100 boost when you sign up for the services who browser extension pay you cashback when you shop online. My point here another $100 welcome bonus. My point is go to daily reward website that works similarly and learn more. My point review redeem $10. The sign up bonus by themselves would generate an extra cashback. Using few of line survey and cashback services streamlessly could put on extra $100 into your account every few weeks. Pindata. Pindata is an app that helps return and reward safe on every expense but credit. You can get 30 gift as per Pindata. I hope so video is too much informative for you. Thank you very much.